Good morning, student. Uh, Today we will start practice set 2.1. Second question. Observe the angles shown in the figure and write the following pair of angles. Right, so this is our diagram. So in the diagram, two vertical lines are drawn, right, and one horizontal line, that is our transversal, is drawn. So first, interior alternate angle, right? So interior alternate angle means what? It is forming either Z or opposite Z, right? So these angles are called as interior alternate angles, right? So first we will see here that where the Z is forming. So the Z is forming like this, right? So angle C and angle E will be our interior alternate angle. So we will write that angle C and angle E, right? Next one, another, right, that is opposite Z, right? So we can see here angle made here at B and angle H are also interior alternate angles. We will write that angle B and angle H. Second question, that is corresponding angles, right? So which are the corresponding angle? It is forming to the same side of transversal, right? So we can see, suppose we are taking angle A, right? So angle A is above the transversal. So here we can see angle E is above the transversal and left to the vertical line. So angle A and angle E are corresponding angle. So angle A and angle E. Next one, if we consider angle B, right, which is above the transversal and right to the vertical line. So here same way we can see F, right, that is above the transversal and right to the vertical line. So angle B and angle F. Third one, angle D, right, we can see angle D, that is below the transversal and left to the vertical line. So here same way we can see that is below the transversal and left to the vertical line is angle H. So we can write angle D and angle H. Last one, that is angle C. If we consider angle C, right, which is right to the vertical line and below the transversal. So here we can see G, that is below the transversal and right to the vertical line, right? So we can write angle C and angle G. Last one, that is called as interior angles. Interior angles are made with the shape of C or opposite C, right? So here these angles are called as interior angles, right? So if we see here in the diagram, this, right, two angles, right, this shape is somewhat C like, right? So we can see that is B and E are interior angles, right? So angle B and angle E, right? In the same manner, if we consider, right, this part, right, it is also somewhat C shape, right? So we can see angle C and angle H are also interior angles. So angle C and angle H are also interior angles. I hope you have understood that is interior alternate angle, corresponding angles, and last one, that is called as interior angles. Thank you.